Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, Rosie Cooks. Okay, I'm making a cake and this is gonna be a real small cake. It's not a big cake. Now, I'm gonna make it in this little Bundt pan, 7 inches. This is a 10-inch Bundt pan. This is the size that you usually see at the market, the big Bundts. This is a small Bundt pan. So this is the perfect small batch recipe for about 4 servings maybe. It's little. So this is the one we're going to do. Okay, so I'm going to make this. And you don't need these really big bowls necessarily. So these are kind of just regular bowls, soup bowls. That's what I'm going to use. Okay, so first I'm going to make the dry ingredients. I'm going to put the dry ingredients together. So this right here is 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, 5 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder, okay, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, not baking powder, baking soda, and a little pinch of salt, just a pinch. Okay, now I'm just gonna mix this up. Just mix it up just to combine it all. And then we're gonna just set that to the side. So now we're gonna put our wet ingredients together. So right here, I have 1/2 cup of white sugar, granulated sugar. And right here, I have 1/3 cup of sour cream. So I'm gonna add that to my sugar. A 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. And 1 egg. And I also have 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. Okay, now I'm going to mix this together. Okay, so now I'm going to add my dry ingredients to the wet ingredients. And I'm going to combine this. Okay, so here's my little cake pan. I sprayed it with a non-stick baking spray. That's the one that has the flour in it, specifically for baking. Okay, and I mixed all my cake mix right here. Okay, now I'm going to add that to my cake pan. And as I said, it's just a little bit, and it's perfect for a little cake. Okay, so now I have a 350-degree oven waiting. It's nice and hot. I'm going to pop my cake in there, and we're going to cook it for 25 to 30 minutes. So here's my cake. It just came out of the oven a little while ago. I'm letting it completely cool off. Now, I cooked this 25 minutes. It is completely cooked. Ovens will vary, but 25 minutes is a good time for me. This cake is completely done. Now you can serve it like this and just sprinkle a little bit of powdered sugar on it. A lot of people don't like frosting, but I'm gonna make some frosting. I'm gonna frost my cake. So here's my cake. I frosted it. I added little sprinkles and makes it look so nice. And this is the perfect size for 2 to 4 people. It's the perfect little dessert if you're expecting some company. So this is how to make a small batch chocolate cake. So thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe and I will see you next time.